Car's clean, bro. You race for pinks? Nah?
Not today.
All right.
Well, they're going to be leaving.
Yeah, so we're going to be leaving with them.
I don't know where they're going now.
We going wherever they go. If they going to jail, we ain't going that way.
That's about
All right. Time to ride on out. That's crazy. Yeah, I see him. Way too early, man.
I mean, you can buy my 26. Niggas hurt no.
That shit funny. It's over with. It's over with. Already. It's over with. It's over. They just came and shut it down. Nah, just on the way out. What's up, bro? But yeah, there's more out front. They're shutting it down. What's up, bro? Look at this shot.
Well, they're going to be leaving.
Yeah, so we're going to be leaving with them.
I don't know where they're going now.
We going wherever they go. If they going to jail, we ain't going that way.
That's about the only place. Well, if they don't leave, they're going to start going to jail.
They gonna leave, bro. They cool. They ain't like this.
surprised. It was in the first night we've had to do it.
So why all of a sudden they've been doing this for a while, man? The guy never had a problem.
So, it's been a problem for a while for this business area, and then just some of the stuff. Not all of them, but some of the stuff that these guys go and do on the streets when they leave here.
Oh, okay.
And Takeover boys.
So we started giving the business tickets.
Oh.
So the businesses finally said, "I don't want tickets."
Lineup's clean. It's all clean. From the Porsche to the TRX to the Scat to the Cat to the Hemi. It's getting crazy. Loaded glizzy. Alright, we gotta ride. Oh no, don't get. It's clean. It's clean. It's clean. Man, there's another M4 cop. Yeah, that shit's clean. We got the sand color. Oh, the Mercedes did pull up. Damn, man, went to a new spot. They found us. They found us. Sandblast TRX though. Out of here. Now everyone's rolling out. Oh, right in front of them. Disrespectful. What'd you say? Damn, they going crazy. Something's up. Y'all race for pinks? No.